Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a thread tank review. Do you want to see what's in here and what I have to say? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Thread Tank reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to review one of their or some of their shirts and show you guys what they are about and let you know about their website and what they do. And I was like, you know what? I looked at their website and I saw some newer items that I haven't seen other channels really do. So I'm like, can I get these? And they're like, yeah. And I'm like, cool, because I haven't seen this particular style done and I would really love to show somebody something different. Now, Thread Tank, it's threadtank.com. I will link them down below. You can check them out and use Crafty 10 and you can get 10% off your entire order. Think Christmas, think gifts. If you have anybody out there that you want to make an amazing shirt for, check them out and use my code SheCrafty10. Save that 10%, especially for holidays, Christmas coming up. This is an amazing thing to check out. They do seasonal ones as well. So I did choose one of my items is more of like the seasonal. They have so many cute ones. It was so hard for me to choose two from their website. Oh my goodness. Now, they have free shipping on all orders over $45. They have men's, they have women's, and they have youth. And they have tanks, tees, sweaters, v-necks, regular, fleece, etc. There's so many different styles, so it's not just regular basic t-shirts. They have so many different types of materials and types and different styles that they put them on. Their sayings go on and on and on. Like, they have so many cool sayings, like you guys need to check them out. If you've never checked them out before, their link will be down below. You can look at all of the different styles. And again, think Christmas coming. You can place an order. Anything over 45 is free shipping. Use my code, save 10%. I'm gonna now show you what I chose. And again, I wanted something completely different. I wanted to show you guys something different from their site. So this is what I received as I hit myself in the face with the paper. And here would be, oops, there's even a sticker. Stories You Can Wear by Thread Tank. Yes, there's so many sayings that I have seen and I'm like, ooh, I can make a sticker for that. They're on their shirts already. Like, there's so many cool shirts on this site. I can't say that enough. So if you want to check them out, by all means, go check them out. Their little slogan, Stories That You Can Wear. Now, I'm going to show you what these are and then I'm going to try them on. So, Stories You Can Wear. That's a cute little slogan because you are wearing them and there's so many different things that you can say on there. Sorry with all the crinkling. Whole lot of crinkling going on. Okay, so this one I chose because I wanted to show you guys that they also do seasonal as well. And again, it was so hard for me to choose just one. This one says, Hocus Pocus, I need wine to focus. Hocus Pocus, I need wine to focus. And this is like a thin, long sleeved shirt with a wide neck. This is definitely different. I have not seen anybody with this style shirt before. So I'm really excited to get something different and to have something new in my collection because I don't even have any type of a shirt or a long sleeve shirt that's like this or this style. So Hocus Pocus, I need wine to focus. Then I got the same style, but just in something different. And for all of the dog moms or dog lovers, this is an amazing idea. They have different breeds to choose from. And you know your girl had to choose the Dachshund because of my little Vienna. And this one says love, and it has the little, the little stubby little Dachshund right there. Isn't that so cute? And it's gray because I wanted to show you guys two different colors. So this one is gray, the other one is black. This one's like an everyday. The other one is more like Halloween-ish. But then there's this. Isn't that so cute though? Oh my goodness. And again, these are very, very thin material. They're very, very thin. I like that because I don't like anything that's too thick. It's made from 93% cotton, 7% polyester. And I believe in their adult sizes, they go up to 2X, I believe, but you can definitely check them out. You can see all of their different variations. Okay, you guys, so that is what the two shirts look like on. And I have to tell you, this fabric is so thin and it feels so soft and comfortable. I really like how thin the material is because it's not like a thick sweatshirt or like a sweater thickness. It is really thin, like a thin, I love this fabric. It's very, very thin, light and airy, which is perfect for me here in Florida because I don't need cold weather. We don't get cold weather. But if you are somewhere where you do get really cold weather, you could always throw a jacket or a cardigan or another sweater or something over it if you are a little cold. But this is perfect for me. I can roll the sleeves up. It's nice and thin and airy. It feels really nice. And I love the style and I love Hocus Pocus. I need wine to focus. I love that. So if you guys want to check them out, definitely follow the link down below. You can check out their site and all of the different amazing styles and designs and words and phrases. And oh my, they have so many different things that you can make. It's basically like buying a custom shirt. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much, Thread Tank, for sending me these amazing shirts. I really do greatly appreciate it. I love them. They feel amazing. They look amazing. And I'm so happy with the ones that they made and sent me. I'm glad I chose these, even though it was so hard to choose these two. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. And again, thank you so much, Thread Tank, for sending me these to review. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And yeah, so comment down below. Did you like my two options? Did you like the two different designs that I chose? Do you like the style shirt? Because I do. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.